Today we will talk about why you should start a YouTube channel in 2026. First of all, I've been on YouTube for a long time on my other channel, and during this journey I've learned a lot of things. What I can say is that being on YouTube is a great experience, but it is not for everyone. I will give you some great reasons why you should start a YouTube channel this year, but will it be the right decision for you? We're gonna talk all of these things today, and if you are interested in this type of content, then make sure to subscribe to my channel so you will also receive my upcoming videos. Starting with reason number 1, YouTube can open many doors and opportunities. When you start a channel, first of all, it gives you the opportunity to show your skills online. If you are good at something, people will see that. And that opportunity, just because you are posting videos here, can lead you a better job, new clients, more customers. Or maybe you have a product or a service that you want to promote. You can do that here too, because YouTube will help you to attract new clients and customers so you can increase your sales. Many people also start a YouTube channel just for a hobby. If you have a specific hobby that you do something you enjoy, you can record it here and eventually you can also monetize your hobby. So whatever you do here, it can be a hobby, promoting your products, or maybe you want to show a skill, you can monetize all of them just because you're posting content on YouTube. The next reason why you should start a YouTube channel is because creating content teaches you new skills that you normally wouldn't get. I am a software developer. Before I started YouTube, my only skill was writing code. Just because I started posting on YouTube, I learned a lot of new skills, such as how to explain things clearly, how to talk to camera, script writing, storytelling, video editing, and lots of valuable skills. And even if YouTube never becomes a full-time job, these skills can be useful in many different ways and in other parts of your life. And I think if you want to do something in life, then you should do that. And that can be the most important reason why you should start a YouTube channel. Because think about it, if you want to start a channel but you are hesitating or you are scared of something, then you won't do that, and probably later in your life you will regret that. You will always have these questions in your mind. What if I started? What if I gave it a real chance? And what if I became successful? You will never know that if you don't try. So I would say give it a try. But there is also the other part of this story. Let's be honest here. YouTube is not for everyone. Let's imagine that you started a channel. If you want to be successful here, you should accept that YouTube is a long-term thing. Being on YouTube, growing a channel, that requires patience, and if you don't have the patience, then maybe you shouldn't start. YouTube growth is slow at the beginning, very slow. Views don't come fast, money don't come fast. And if you expect quick results, then you will probably get frustrated here. And frustration leads people, unfortunately, to quit. Most of the time your views will be low, and if that demotivates you, then you also shouldn't start a YouTube channel. No matter how good your videos are, getting low views at the beginning is almost guaranteed. There is no way around that. And if these numbers are going to affect your motivation too much, then maybe you shouldn't start. Because many people quit YouTube later not because their content is bad, but because they don't grow fast enough, and that leads to discourage them and eventually they will give up. So being on YouTube is more like a discipline that you need to gain over time. It's not a short-term motivation. When you start a channel, your main job will be to create videos, create content. And creating these videos, they will take your time and effort. If you don't enjoy creating videos, don't enjoy recording, learning new skills, improving yourself, then maybe you shouldn't start. So you must enjoy what you are doing here, otherwise it's not gonna worth your time. As you see, my channel is small too, and I started from scratch. The main reason I keep going is because I enjoy creating content and I enjoy talking about these topics. And these small discouraging numbers are expected at the beginning. But over time, if you keep going consistently, you will slowly grow your channel and hopefully things will start to get better. So these are my thoughts about starting a YouTube channel this year in 2026. Let me know your thoughts about starting a YouTube channel in the comments below. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please hit the like button, and see you guys in my next video.